Cybersecurity infrastructure security. Hey, welcome. We are Silicon Networks Group. We're at 150 Cliff House Road, Walker Lake, Nevada, 89415. We can be reached at 775-945-9825. Silicon Networks is a Lenovo reseller, IBM business partner, and we provide technology to the GSA, enterprise, and small business. Let's get started here. Cybersecurity, prevention, control, and recovery. Protect your enterprise assets and employees working from home. Don't become a victim of the ransom virus or phishing attacks such as IRS mandatory online COVID-19 testing. Identify current threats, inventory potential home targets, maximize security to the cloud, and monitor network traffic. CISA helps identify threats we face, mobilizing a collective defense to lead the USA to understand and manage critical cybersecurity. This workshop presents 4 core components of the CISA program: process of auditing information systems, governance and management of internet technologies, information systems acquisition, development, and implementation, protection of information assets. Those are the 4 key goals we're going to talk about today. Cybersecurity organizational issues, protect wireless networks, NIST framework for the enterprise, that's National Institute of Science and Technology, physical security, phishing schemes, email imposters, tech support scams, vendor security, cyber insurance, email authentication, and web host issues. Securing the enterprise with cybersecurity. Cyber criminals target firms of all sizes. Protect your files and devices. Update operating system software. Update application. Secure data files. Require passcodes. Encrypt devices. And protect email accounts. Securing access points. Require strong password for access. Change the access point password monthly. Backup secondary access point. Backup internet service. Use dual routing when possible. Train staff on wireless use. Cyber criminals target firms of all sizes. Protect your files and devices. Update operating system software, update applications, secure data files, require passcodes, encrypt devices, use multi-factor authentication, protect email accounts. Discussion point. What is the security risk in your home network? Is the wireless Nevada energy meter security risk? Is the wireless home network a risk? An email for IRS arrives requesting to log in to claim your $1,200 check. What do you do? NIST framework inventory all equipment and software. Develop enterprise-wide security initiative, roles and responsibilities for employees and vendors. Identify procedure to limit damage by attacks. Protect by updating all software regularly. Have a format policy for recycling used equipment. Store securely paper files and media. Know the location of all devices for the enterprise. Recycle used equipment. Is a laser printer a security risk if it is recycled? The answer is there are images on the drum, and there have been cases where medical information has been released that was contained on the drum from the last X-ray. Physical security. Servers under lock and key. Ventilation ducts secure. Use a UPS. Plans for power loss. Remote locations. Remote servers. How long is the recovery time? If there's a threat of being attacked, can you recover? Vendor security. Who has access to computers, accounting support, web development, Shopping cart services. What is the vendor security policy? Could their computers have virus signatures? Could the ransom virus be transferred? Could a vendor's computer be infectious? Cyber insurance. They will provide a data breach coach, IT forensics team, credit monitoring, legal support, lost income coverage, PR reputation damage, and they will work with a cybersecurity plan. If there is a claim, the first thing that they're going to ask for is your cybersecurity plan. If you don't have one, it's going to be really difficult to file a claim. It's not a case of losing your data. The critical element is recovery, backup all data daily, test restore monthly, use domain controllers if possible, manage DNS as a critical asset. Web host, hosting websites, hosting email. Are their servers secure? Are their upgrades safe? Can your content be infected? Can signatures be spread by your content? Is your shopping cart secure? What is the provider's policy on updates? If it impacts your website and code and disables it, who's liable? The infamous screen. You've just been attacked by the ransom virus. What do you do now? Networks of all sizes have been attacked. Do not pay the ransom. Turn the power off to the computer. Reboot the computer. Run CC Cleaner. Run antivirus. Prepare for recovery methodology. Prepare to restore if necessary. Consider replacing hard drives with a new drive. Load restore media. Build restore drive, reboot, run updates for operating system, and restore your data. Security and secure remote access. Access your data from a tablet, remote access issues, security debate. Should router access be tightened? Password policy, hours of access, access by exception, alternate access. We have clients that are contractors and they just love walking around with a tablet and completing an estimate for a new kitchen on their tablet in front of the customer and sending it to their office but as a session and emailing a quote back to the client all in real time. This is great, but there are so many issues in secure remote access using this model. Securing federal networks, National Cybersecurity Protection System, the NCPS, Continuous Diagnostics and Mitigation, CDM, National Cybersecurity Communication Integration Center, Federal Information Security Management Act, FISMA reporting, High Asset Value Program Management Office. These are the government organizations that lead cybersecurity for the US government. Accounting solutions, access accounting from tablet, creating estimates, emailing estimates to customer site, security issues. What kind of alternatives could you have? Cybersecurity plan. Conduct an asset inventory. Once you've identified your data, develop a privacy policy, protect data collected on the internet, create layers of security, plan for data loss or theft, be aware of spyware and adware, verify the identity of telephone information seekers, employ a network infrastructure to help protect public web servers, commit to an ongoing process of maintaining web server security. The Gardner study. If we can't protect the organization entirely, what should we do? Cybersecurity readiness is a choice. Create adequate, credible, and defensible within your key stakeholders, your shareholders, regulators, and customers, that you are spending the right amount on the right things in security. The urgency to treat cybersecurity as a business, published 12 February 2020. Here's a reference, IDG. The California Consumer Private Act, does the CCPA apply to your business? What are the issues of non-compliance? What's your organization is in Utah? Any provider that has access from a resident in California can be held liable for CCPA. So it should be researched and see if you need to follow their guidelines. CISA recommendations. Process of auditing information systems. Manage the audit process in accordance with IS audit standards. Plan audits ensuring the scope matches the needs of the organization being audited. Perform the audit and gather appropriate evidence. Communicate the results and recommendation to stakeholders. Planning the audit. CISA promotes a risk-based approach to audit planning, which means risks to the business of using IS are identified and the control framework then reviewed to determine if appropriate risk controls are in place. An understanding of these risks and control is how the audit scope is developed. Perform the audit and gather evidence. An audit can't be a matter of opinion. It must be sorted by objective evidence that is reliable, factual, and current, relevant, supporters audit scope and can be linked to conclusions and recommendations, repeatable, the same evidence would be produced by another auditor. Communicating the results of the audit. The audit report should cover scope, objectives, period of review, findings, conclusions, recommendations, and any limitations such as people who could not be interviewed or documentation that couldn't be accessed. If needed, detailed evidence should be included as an appendix. CISA recommendations. Governance and management of internet technologies. Governance and management of security are most effective when they are systematic, woven into the culture of fabric of organization behaviors and actions. In this regard, culture is defined as the predominant share attitudes, values, goals, behaviors, and practices that characterize the functioning of a group or organization. Culture thereby creates and sustains connections among principles, policies, and process, products, people, and performance. Effective security should be thought of as an attribute or characteristic of an organization or a project. It becomes evident when everyone proactively carries out their roles and responsibilities, creating a culture of security that displaces ignorance and apathy. One manifestation of this is that everyone proactively considers the attacker perspective throughout the software development lifecycle and how the software can fail when under intentional attack or unintentional actions of users or developers. Process of auditing information systems was the first point. Governance and management of internet technology is the second point. Now let's look at information systems acquisition, development, and implementation. The key responsibility of IS auditing professionals is understanding and ensuring that the method in which organizations conduct IS acquisition, development, testing, implementation activities, support, and fulfill organizational objectives and strategic goals. The organization should document best practices for IS development, project management, structure, and planning. The The organization should also develop a master plan for best policies, including virtualization and cloud computing environments and application development methods. Finally, there should be relevant information on IS maintenance practices, system development activities, application controls, and best practices for audit application controls as an audit guideline. Protection of information assets is the last point in the CISA recommendations. All the information can be found at Cybersecurity Information Security Agent, CISA.gov. Cybersecurity best practices for industrial control systems. This is a good flow chart. First, a blue box, cybersecurity considerations will impact CISA assessments, physical year, most prevalent IT and OT weaknesses and risk, which feeds into cybersecurity event impacts. They have a checklist here in defend ICS processes today, check, prioritize, test, and implement ICS security patches, backup system data and configurations, identify, minimize, secure all network connections to ICS, continually monitor and assess the security of ICS networks and interconnections, disable unnecessary service ports and protocols, enable available security features, and implement robust configuration management practices, leverage both application whitelisting and antivirus software, provide ICS cybersecurity training for all operators and administrators, maintain and test an incident response plan, implement a risk-based defense in-depth approach to securing ICS hosts and networks. Homeland security, proactively protecting tomorrow. Risk management and cybersecurity governance is the first point. Physical security is the second point. ICS network architecture is the third point. ICS network perimeter security, host security, security monitoring, supply chain management, and the human element. California Consumer Privacy Act, does it apply to your business? And what are the issues of non-compliance? What if your organization's located in Utah? If you're located in Utah, there's not a lot of implications. What does your organization need to do? How will they migrate there? Is new technology necessarily the answer? Silicon Networks provide GSA enterprise clients with security solutions. As we expand in the small business space, small business contact us about technology needs. We're Silicon Networks, 775-945-9825. Value-added proposition. Call now for a free evaluation of your cybersecurity plan. We'll review it with you and make recommendations. We're at 775-945-9825. If you have any questions, you can email them to support@siliconnetworks.us.